Top 5 Best Rolling Saw Stand. Number 5. Bora Portamate PM8000 Miter Saw Stand. The Bora Portamate PM8000 Miter Saw Stand combines functionality with a user-friendly design. With its adjustable arms and work supports, this stand accommodates various miter saw models, providing a stable and secure work surface. The quick attach tool mounts make it easy to install and remove your saw, streamlining your workflow. The stand's lightweight yet durable build, coupled with its foldable legs and wheels, ensures convenient portability and storage. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, the Bora Portamate PM8000 delivers a balance of performance and convenience. Coming in number 4, POWERTEC MT4000 Folding Miter Saw Stand. The POWERTEC MT4000 Folding Miter Saw Stand is a space-saving solution without compromising on stability and utility. Designed to fit a wide range of miter saws, this stand features quick-release brackets for easy mounting and dismounting of your tool. The durable steel construction provides a solid foundation for cutting tasks, and the foldable design ensures effortless storage in compact spaces. Whether you're working in a small workshop or transporting your tools between job sites, this stand offers a practical and reliable solution. Coming in number 3, WEN MSA658T Multipurpose Rolling Planer and Miter Saw. The WEN MSA658T Multipurpose Rolling Planer and Miter Saw Stand is a versatile and budget-friendly option for woodworkers seeking a reliable companion for their tools. This stand accommodates both planers and miter saws, making it a versatile addition to any workshop. The sturdy steel frame ensures stability, while the adjustable arms and rollers provide support for various workpieces. Equipped with wheels for easy transportation, this stand delivers a balance of affordability and functionality, making it an attractive choice for hobbyists and DIYers. Coming in number 2, DEWALT DW7440RS Table Saw Stand. The DEWALT DW7440RS Table Saw Stand is a testament to the brand's commitment to quality and functionality. Designed specifically for DEWALT table saws, this stand offers exceptional stability and support during cutting tasks. The stand features a lightweight aluminum construction that doesn't compromise on strength, and its quick connect stand brackets make assembly and disassembly a breeze. With its large, rugged wheels and a folding design, this stand provides unparalleled portability without sacrificing durability. Coming in number 1, DEWALT DWX726 Miter Saw Stand with Wheels. The DEWALT DWX726 Miter Saw Stand with Wheels stands out as a top-tier choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Engineered with durability in mind, this stand boasts robust construction and is equipped with wide rubber wheels that facilitate easy mobility across various terrains. The adjustable mounting rails accommodate most miter saws, providing a secure and stable platform for cutting precision. The stand's foldable design ensures convenient storage and transport, making it an excellent choice for those on the move.